Meet the fruits. Let's learn about fruits today. I am an apple. Say apple. Apple.
I am a banana. Say banana. Banana.
I am a grape. Say grape. Grape.
I am an orange. Say orange. Orange.
I am a pineapple. Say pineapple. Pineapple.
I am a watermelon. Say watermelon. Watermelon.
I am a strawberry. Say strawberry. Strawberry.
Great job, friends. Don't forget to come back for more fun and learning. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun videos.